Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog session. Today I'm going to go Christmas shopping and I am so excited. It's that time of the year again. I know it's a little bit early, but it's 2020, you know, you can do whatever you want. So I want to go Christmas shopping today and I want to take you guys with me. We're going at a couple of stores. And I really hope that I'm going to find what I'm looking for. I want to find some decorations and I want to buy something for the table behind me when I'm filming my makeup tutorials. I want to make it so Christmassy and I hope that I'm going to find what I'm looking for. Fingers crossed. I haven't eaten breakfast. I have just drank some coffee with a biscuit. I only had one biscuit. I'm not hungry and I hope I will be okay at the stores. I should be fine. I should be fine. Okay, let's get going. So I made it home and it was a success. I am happy with the things that I have bought and the things that I have found. To be honest, I thought I would find more stuff. I am happy because I kind of have the things that I want for my YouTube videos for the background. I can start filming Christmas videos. These are the bags with the things that I got. I'm going to unpack them with you. So first I went to Pepco and I bought this big beautiful candle. This is scented. This is a fragrance for home, spices and love. It smells like cookies. I like that it is big. Look how big it is. And it was only 15 lei. It was €4. I mean, this is going to be in my background. And also I have another candle that is more glamorous. This one. I really loved the sparkle of it. I think it's really beautiful. And it looks bougie. And it also smells really nice. It's a scented candle and it has a winter spice. It has something with cinnamon, I think. It smells like cinnamon. I really like it. And this, near this, I think they're going to look cute together. Another thing that I got from Pepco is this jewelry organizer. This is made from acrylic. It says that it's a modern look. I've never had something like this and I really want to organize my jewelry so I can see them. And I really like that it's see-through. This way maybe I will stay organized and keep them beautifully hanged, and also it's going to help me pick the jewelry that I want to wear for the day. So it's time for me to start wearing my jewelry, right? And the last thing I got from Pepco is this is going to be actually a gift for Alexei, and I'm not going to show you because maybe he's going to watch this vlog and I don't want him to find out the surprise. After I will give it to him, then I'm going to share it with you because it's so cool. Next I went to Ocean and I got this home perfume from Areon. Here it has a bottle with a fragrance and it has some sticks to diffuse it in the air. This is in black and it smells very masculine. I really loved it and I think it's going to look really cute in the bathroom. And I like that the label is black also, which is also a color found in our bathroom. I bought some sweets because why not? Actually, these are not meant for us. These are going to be gifted to my cousins because Alexei is going to Sibiu in the weekend and we're going to gift them to them. also for them I bought this book. This is How Felix Saved Christmas. I think they're going to love it. I hope. It's a Christmas story and I think it's going to be really cute. Also from Ocean, I have found the Christmas tree that I wanted for my beauty table. Look at this baby. I love that it has gold and white, and the ornaments are also gold, and it has the pine cones also, and it is snowed. And also for it I bought these lights. These are LED steady lights. It has only 40 lamps. I hope it's going to be enough. If not, they had a bigger size, and if it's not going to be enough for this tree, then I'm going to buy with 100 LEDs. But I think it's going to be really cute, and I'm ready for Christmas. I'm ready for the holidays. I am ready to be joyful. And here next to me I have a bag full of food from Mega Image. Let's unbox it in the kitchen, shall we? What?
You're hungry, boy. Pasta.
So I'm going to cook pasta tonight, and then I'm going to relax a little bit, and then we are going to start decorating and also cleaning. Now let's cook some really good pasta. While the food is cooking, let's enjoy some carne asti. Cheers! So the Christmas movie is on, and I have my cleaning stuff, and we're about to clean this mess and reorganize and redecorate. I'm tired, but I'm happy that I have finished, and now that my home is kind of ready for the holidays, I officially declare the holiday season 2020 opened. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to enjoy, relax, take care of ourselves, practice self-love. We will work on being better and being the best version of ourselves and being that person that we secretly admire, we can be that person. So it's going to be an amazing season. It's going to be beautiful. We are going to make it beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.